Doctor. A medical professional who diagnoses and treats illnesses and injuries. Example: the doctor examined my sore throat.
The doctor examined my sore throat.
My sister wants to become a doctor.
My sister wants to become a doctor.
The doctor asked about my medical history.
The doctor asked about my medical history.
The doctor gave me a flu shot.
The doctor gave me a flu shot.
The doctor performed a surgery on my knee.
The doctor performed a surgery on my knee.
I trust my doctor's professional opinion.
I trust my doctor's professional opinion.
The doctor explained the procedure to me.
The doctor explained the procedure to me.
The doctor checked my blood pressure.
The doctor checked my blood pressure.
The doctor specializes in pediatric medicine.
The doctor specializes in pediatric medicine.
The doctor referred me to a specialist.
The doctor referred me to a specialist.
Teacher. An educator who imparts knowledge and instructs students. Example: the teacher explained the math problem clearly.
The teacher explained the math problem clearly.
My favorite teacher teaches English literature.
My favorite teacher teaches English literature.
The teacher assigned homework for tonight.
The teacher assigned homework for tonight.
I asked my teacher for extra help.
I asked my teacher for extra help.
The teacher praised my excellent presentation.
The teacher praised my excellent presentation.
The teacher called roll to check attendance.
The teacher called roll to check attendance.
I enjoy learning from my teacher.
I enjoy learning from my teacher.
The teacher corrected my spelling mistakes.
The teacher corrected my spelling mistakes.
The teacher announced the upcoming field trip.
The teacher announced the upcoming field trip.
The teacher wrote assignments on the blackboard.
The teacher wrote assignments on the blackboard.
Mechanic. A skilled worker who repairs and maintains machinery and vehicles. Example: the mechanic fixed my car's engine.
The mechanic fixed my car's engine.
I took my car to the mechanic for repairs.
I took my car to the mechanic for repairs.
My uncle is a skilled mechanic.
My uncle is a skilled mechanic.
The mechanic replaced the worn-out tires.
The mechanic replaced the worn-out tires.
The mechanic diagnosed the problem quickly.
The mechanic diagnosed the problem quickly.
I trust my mechanic to do a thorough job.
I trust my mechanic to do a thorough job.
The mechanic recommended an oil change.
The mechanic recommended an oil change.
The mechanic checked the car's alignment.
The mechanic checked the car's alignment.
The mechanic tightened the loose bolts.
The mechanic tightened the loose bolts.
I rely on my mechanic for reliable service.
I rely on my mechanic for reliable service.
Shop assistant. A person who helps customers and handles sales in a store. Example: the shop assistant greeted me warmly.
The shop assistant greeted me warmly.
The shop assistant helped me find my size.
The shop assistant helped me find my size.
The shop assistant offered suggestions for gifts.
The shop assistant offered suggestions for gifts.
I asked the shop assistant about the return policy.
I asked the shop assistant about the return policy.
The shop assistant rang up my purchase.
The shop assistant rang up my purchase.
The shop assistant restocked the merchandise.
The shop assistant restocked the merchandise.
I thanked the shop assistant for their assistance.
I thanked the shop assistant for their assistance.
The shop assistant recommended a new product.
The shop assistant recommended a new product.
The shop assistant wrapped my gift beautifully.
The shop assistant wrapped my gift beautifully.
I inquired with the shop assistant about sales.
I inquired with the shop assistant about sales.
Hairdresser. A stylist who cuts and styles hair for clients. Example: the hairdresser cut my hair beautifully.
The hairdresser cut my hair beautifully.
I booked an appointment with the hairdresser.
I booked an appointment with the hairdresser.
The hairdresser styled my hair for the event.
The hairdresser styled my hair for the event.
I trust my hairdresser's expertise completely.
I trust my hairdresser's expertise completely.
I asked the hairdresser for a trim.
I asked the hairdresser for a trim.
The hairdresser recommended a new hair product.
The hairdresser recommended a new hair product.
I complimented the hairdresser on their skills.
I complimented the hairdresser on their skills.
The hairdresser straightened my frizzy hair.
The hairdresser straightened my frizzy hair.
The hairdresser braided my hair elegantly.
The hairdresser braided my hair elegantly.
The hairdresser colored my hair with highlights.
The hairdresser colored my hair with highlights.
Engineer. A professional who designs, builds, or maintains structures, machines, or systems. Example: the engineer designs innovative solutions.
The engineer designs innovative solutions.
Engineers build bridges and skyscrapers.
Engineers build bridges and skyscrapers.
The engineer analyzes complex data.
The engineer analyzes complex data.
She aspires to be an engineer.
She aspires to be an engineer.
The engineer oversees construction projects.
The engineer oversees construction projects.
The engineer conducts experiments and tests.
The engineer conducts experiments and tests.
She works as a civil engineer.
She works as a civil engineer.
The engineer uses advanced technology.
The engineer uses advanced technology.
He is a mechanical engineer.
He is a mechanical engineer.
She collaborates with a team of engineers.
She collaborates with a team of engineers.
Farmer. A person who cultivates crops and raises livestock for food production. Example: the farmer grows crops for a living.
The farmer grows crops for a living.
Farmers work hard in the fields.
Farmers work hard in the fields.
The farmer plants seeds in the soil.
The farmer plants seeds in the soil.
The farmer milks the cows daily.
The farmer milks the cows daily.
Farmers use tractors for plowing fields.
Farmers use tractors for plowing fields.
The farmer sells fresh produce locally.
The farmer sells fresh produce locally.
Farmers irrigate crops during dry seasons.
Farmers irrigate crops during dry seasons.
The farmer enjoys the rural lifestyle.
The farmer enjoys the rural lifestyle.
Farmers contribute to food security.
Farmers contribute to food security.
Farmers raise animals on the farm.
Farmers raise animals on the farm.